Good afternoon, my name is Mohammed Abdullah and I'm the project leader of Vinyl On-Demand Home Services mobile app. Vinyl is basically a mobile application for on-demand home services. When we talk about the on-demand home services, there are three major problems. Number one, availability of the service provider. Number two, reliability of the service provider. Number three, cost calculation. Cost calculation in my perspective is the biggest problem. So problem number one, Vinyl solves the availability of the service provider by targeting a specific area with a certain number of service providers, with the onboarding of certain number of service providers. Problem number two, reliability. Vinyl only onboards the certified and experienced service providers. And problem number three, cost calculation. This is the major problem and the unique selling point of Vinyl as well. When we talk about the cost calculation, let's take the scenario of Uber or Careem. Uber, when we take a ride in Uber, it automatically generates the cost of our ride by the parameters of mileage and time, and different things are considered in this. So when we talk about the services, it is very difficult to calculate the cost because it seems like impossible. But Vinyl is solving this problem. How? Let's take the example of electrician. When an electrician come to your house, he do something, he do his services. So how we can calculate his service cost? At the when we see in detail, at the end of the day, there are items that are being replaced or repaired by the electrician, plumber, carpenter, etc., etc. So we took this point and applied in our application. When a service provider come to your house, he will select what he do. He cannot charge you for what he didn't, because what he didn't did when he came to your house, he cannot charge you because he have to select items that what he replaced or repaired. And when he select the items, it will automatically generate the cost, and it will help to when it automatically generate the cost, it will solve this problem as well. And there is another thing. Vinyl is being developed in Flutter, which is basically a hybrid platform which performs for the both iOS and Android. So we are developing Vinyl application in Flutter. Thank you very much.